Hi everybody, I wanted to show y'all what I've been up to, explain what I've got here, what I'm doing. This is a work in progress. I am nowhere near complete, but I wanted to share it with y'all. I might even do a page or two with y'all, not today, but in a later video to show y'all my process. I am just constantly picking with stuff to get this glue. Okay, so anyway, what I've got here is a bunch of mini folders that I have sewn together. This is how the shell looks. Now I did distress it with some spun sugar, some stamping. I sewed it all, but then I put a bunch of mini folders together. Can y'all, let me tap that back. There we go. So y'all get the idea. And these two, that's what this was. I am nearly done with this one, nearly. So this is going to be attached to the back with a hinge. And that way it can flip out. And then you'll be able to open this and see all of the goodies in there as well. So a really huge mini folder flip out journal folio. Inspired, by the way, by Jennifer Stevens of A Trace of Sparkle. This is not exactly how she does hers, and but it is who inspired me. Absolutely, she inspired me to do this. One of my very first journals that I did was very similar to this, and she inspired me to do that. Watching her, she didn't call me and go, "Hey Marie, I think you should do this." Just watching her made me want to do it, and so here I am doing more. All right, so first page. This is a little tuck space here, and I've made a pocket with this sequin lace. I love this lace. Got some torn fabric here collaged on a butterfly. I've got these pink jewel rhinestone lace layered here with this lace. These are Stamperia die cuts. Most of the lace that you see is going to be from Crafty Me Shop. Forgot where I got this fabric from, but I will leave a link in my bio. I do love the fabric. And this, y'all, I love that. And look at that all together. That is just, it's gonna be hard to get rid of this too, to let this go. I love it. Do y'all see the cutest little gummy bear I have hanging here off of a bulb pin? I don't know how well y'all see that or not. The camera's pretty far away now. I guess I can put the camera a little bit closer since I'm done showing y'all how I'm going to flip that thing out. Okay. All right, so let's open it up and see what I've got on the inside. So you open it and you come to this page, this one here, and I have got the doilies layered. Layer upon layer upon layer of doilies. Some paper, some cloth, some antique, some not. And that's where my bulb pin with the gummy bear is. Got it with the Stamperia die cut here. Got some tickets here. And I am going to fill it. There are tons of tuck spaces in here, and I've yet to finish putting all the stuff there. But anyway. All right. Over here, I've made some pockets, and again, not complete. I'm not done filling it up. I will do a video when it is complete, but right now I've got just some little cute little tucks in there of ice cream, and it looks like a float, I think. Okay, let's open this and let's go over here. Here, got a belly band. Can y'all see the sequins across this band? I just love this fabric. Top with some macaroons and a little mini journal. A little bow topped with a little heart. Oh, I love it. So pretty. How about those rhinestones on that flower? All of it, just all of it. I just love it. And it's got a bunch of little paper in here for journaling. Put that back. Here I've got a pocket made out of a Rolodex, a sewn Rolodex piece. I don't know how to describe it. I got this and numerous things that you'll see in here from Flea Market Floozy on Etsy. Unfortunately, at this moment, she doesn't have anything else like that. She finds stuff from flea markets and puts it on her Etsy page, and this was on there. Got some printouts from, I don't want to get the name of the shop wrong, and I always do, so I am just going to leave the link in the bio. Anyway, I layered the Rolodex card, there we go, with some lace and a little piece of lace fabric here. Got it all collaged, and in the pockets got these little journaling cards. Look at that little recipe card. That's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, let's flip it. Up here, y'all know what? I'm not going to open this because I just put this down. This was the last thing that I did in this booklet, and I just want to make sure that the glue is completely dry. There's nothing in here yet, but it's going to open up, and I have plans on putting a journaling card in here, but I don't have it printed out yet, so I cannot show y'all. But I did do some really pretty embossing, and I've got these. Can y'all see these little teeny tiniest sweetest little glitter pieces along the edge of the flap, and then some little hearts down here, foil hearts. I think it's so cute. Here I've got some ruffles on this one, and this is a die cut that I did with my Cricut, and I've got some laces and such tucked behind it, some more Stamperia dies, some collaging, and for right now I've just got a little card right there. Like I said, I'm not done. Okay, let's see. Here, let's see, I've got a Prima Dulce paper back here, topped with a paper heart doily from Flea Market Floozy, topped with, look at this applique, y'all. This is from Crafty Me Shop, and oh my goodness. Just beautiful. I've got a little bingo card tucked in this little place here. And for right now, I've got another little recipe card in here. Don't fully know what I'll put in there yet. Down here at the bottom, pull that up. Make sure that y'all can see. Okay. Let me pull it up a little bit. There we go. Okay. I've got some collaging here. I've got some stretchy fabric that I cut out here. And in the pocket, I've got a little cupcake shaker. How cute is that? I just love that. And a few little journaling cards. Look at that. So pretty. Alrighty. Close that up. I am going to have to come up with something to hold this closed together. It's pretty chunky. It's not wanting to stay closed. We all know how that goes. So, yeah, I will come up with something. probably some silk to tie around it or something. I did do the back. The back has up underneath, it's got a piece of Prima Dulce paper, and I took an envelope and decoupaged it with a napkin to come up with this, and I love that. And I've yet to put anything in it. I have not done that yet, but I will get around to it. I hope that y'all enjoyed this and that it inspired y'all to do something similar. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Give me a thumbs up, a like. I'd really appreciate it, but I really would like to hear back from y'all about what y'all think. Till next time, later.